Today we've got a 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLA250. Super clean vehicle. Got the black wheels, Bridgestone tires in great shape, fully detailed, fully serviced, up to date on all the maintenance. Paint is in phenomenal shape. This is the hottest car on our lot right now, par none. Retail value, I believe, is mid to low 15s. We have this one priced at $13,988. So very easy car to get financed. You'll be in a good equity position if you're paying cash. The paint is great. The inside might even be better. The leather on the inside of this car, full glass roof, Harman Kardon audio, power memory seats, power windows, power trunk, lumbar support, all your steering wheel controls, and low miles on this one too. You can find these all day long for less money, but finding one this clean with these miles is going to be hard to do. Only 73,000 miles on this thing here. No codes, no lights, push to start. Full glass roof. Backup camera. Heated seats. Bluetooth connections. This thing is so nice. It won't be here long. Come check it out at 4042 Motors.